Sineset, De La Cruz, the bell press, and the fadeaway is good. The shoot, Roque, posing side, pass intercepted, one man pass break, and the reverse layup is closer. Rebound, bell press, Puyol, reverse, De La Cruz with the hesitation, and it's blocked. Ato center, drive, passes to Puyol, sideline, Coach Max, low look pass De La Cruz, Umeke, libre na sa gitna, and it's in. Pasa kay Coach Max to De La Cruz, nag-isa lang, nagtabi pa sa ere. Rebound din, Coach Max. And yes sir, Max. Sa kaliwa, umatake, pasa, jump shot. Coach Max is 10 to shoot. Libre, nilista mo na yan. 5 to shoot. Outlet pass De La Cruz for 3. Yes sir. Termines. Back pass. Number 19. Velasco. Will leave out Termines. Pasa. Termines with the jump shot. Inista mo na yan. Okay. Cello. 5 remaining, 15 seconds. Wow. Nice again. Pasa. Time, 34 seconds. 5 to shoot. Jump shot. And yes, sir. Rebound by Roque. Behind the back. Number 0, pass to Roque. And 3. Another 3 for another jump shot. Number 0, passes to Termines, side pass, and wow, monster layup. Behind the back, Belches. Pasa sa number 29, Roque, nag-iisa lang yan, pumasok ulit. Back to back three. Laying down the ball, number 29, inside pass, fade away, and it's good. Rebound, De La Cruz. To De La Cruz with the layup, and it's good. Jump shot, and it's good from Damian. Rebound to Velasco, number 19 with the jump, and it's good. For a pick, Coach Mac goes to right, back to Termines. De La Cruz with the 3, and yes sir. Jump shot from the free throw line. Naagaw ni Velasco. Easy layup. Gamit. Agustin. 8 to shoot. Number 9. Baseline drive. Back to Termines. 5 to shoot. 4-3. Wala. Belches with the rebound. And the follow-up is good. Nabitawan. Tumatakbo ang yellow shirts. Rondalis. Pinabanda. Pasok. Bunata. Tumatakbo na. Number 18. Tumingin pa sa kalaban ang layup. Wala. Fast break. Number 2. Reverse layup is good. Hesitation move. Nakuha yung bola. Pasa. De La Cruz. Nag-iisa lang siya. I-reverse pa. De La Cruz. Cross-court pass. seconds.